Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to create firework style fast food promo video for your next project. First, we will create background wall. I am using brick wall. You can take any. We just adjust scale size to fill the entire window and reduce opacity, around 10% to 12%. Now, we will design wooden surface. I will mask it and adjust edges with blue feather. Next, we will add food image. Here, we will be using AI tools Smart Cutout to remove background. You can use Photoshop or any online background remover tool. After that, resize it and give position. Create empty layer between brick wall and wooden surface. Here, we will add firework to give interesting look. Now, we gave color to entire window. Let's add smoke at food to give fresh and hot look. Add mask to smoke to give shape. Let's add interesting food promo elements. You can download it from Film Stock. This is Food Vlog Pack. Let's give motion to this still image. I am using animation presets. Now, let's add audio. I am adding transition whoosh and music big stomp and clap. That's it for now. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like. Keep watching. See you in our next tutorial.